Hi there, students. Ancillary. Okay, ancillary is an adjective. I think to make an adverb, we're going to have to say in an ancillary way, because it ends in Y. Okay, ancillary. Um, Supplementary. Extra. Supporting. Providing support and help. So there are a number of ancillary workers who help people in the company. They provide support for the main person. Um, this camera has many ancillary devices, extra devices. So auxiliary, ancillary, additional, providing additional help or support. Um, so the company makes cars, but it also provides a number of ancillary services like repairs and spare parts and things like that. I think the collocation ancillary staff or ancillary workers is really quite common. So in a hospital, you have the doctors and the nurses, and then there are other ancillary staff, ancillary workers, who help the nurses and doctors. They help them move the patients, they help them feed the patients, and different things like that. Okay, so yeah, ancillary services. Something that is of secondary importance. It's not the main thing, but it helps. Okay, and then auxiliary or accessory. So there is a main pump, but there is also an ancillary pump if there are problems. Okay, you have your computer. It needs the hard disk, and it needs the motherboard, and it needs RAM. But there are many other ancillary devices like the camera or the mouse. These are extra things that make it easy. Okay. Yeah, the I guess the battery charger is another ancillary for a laptop. Okay, a person working in a supportive role, school ancillaries who help the teachers or help the system run. Okay, so auxiliary, supplementary, subsidiary. So if something is ancillary, it's not the main thing. It's something extra that helps it or makes it bigger or more important. Okay, ancillary services like cleaning the office and making sure the vending machines are full is something that we would put out to tender. So ancillary, accessory, assistant, auxiliary, yeah, something that's subsidiary and supportive. Okay, so ancillary, subordinate, secondary, and auxiliary. It's an accessory, something that serves an ancillary function. Okay, for example, a painter. Yeah, a painter has an easel to hold the canvas or to hold his paper. This is some sort of ancillary device. It's extra. Okay, how formal is this word ancillary? I think I would give it 6.57 in formality. I think informally I would say an extra, an accessory, supporting, secondary, something like that. So use it in semi-formal and formal writings. And then as to origin, well, it comes from Latin again. There's the Latin word ancillaris, meaning ancillary, but that actually comes from ancilla, a maid, somebody who looks after an important lady. So yeah, these are the maids of the support services. Okay, so ancillary, something secondary that helps. Yeah, something that supports, an accessory to something. Okay, so anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Ancillary.